Alright, I think we're ready. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is DMA. Shout out E. Tell them what it is, baby. Money District.
Okay.
B&B. East Side. Money District. DMA.
Cool and comfort.
Cool and comfort.
You know, CNC, baby.
B&B.
Okay. DMA. Who wanna know? Get it. Alright, I go. Yo, what the fuck you want to do? You looking fake? That nigga is talking crazy. You just look like a snake. I know that most y'all niggas is fake. And you slow. Y'all niggas is talking money, but I come to with the fast flow. Ass roll. Pass those. These niggas is talking crazy. I'm telling to shake an asshole. I don't give a fuck about anybody but my crew. Niggas hating on us, but this is all that we do. And we chill back and we reppin' what we do. The bitches is hating on us. I'm about to just come through. And you know what else? We don't gotta stay on the shit that we do. We about to fucking crazy, right? Yeah. And I'm done on this verse. I might hurt when y'all niggas, but you fucking hurt.
Hearse. And if he don't put you in the fucking hearse, it's guaranteed I'ma put you in the fucking dirt. You basically got killed. You basically got murdered. A lot of blood was left on your girl's shirt, but I don't really give a fuck. I made a bunch of fucking squirt. I know a lot of you niggas, y'all wondering how. Y'all like how the team is popping right now. But it's cause we do our fucking thing, nigga. You ain't gotta hate cause we some real niggas. Just cause we back to drill. You feel it, nigga? Why you so fucking tight? You can't feel this, nigga. Damn, niggas hating on my niggas. Fuck the niggas. Real fucking niggas.
We warming up. Long Johns. I don't give a fuck. Can't pick us up with the tongs. Till it's too gully. That's what it is. And you already know the team gives that fucking biz. Lays it down in these streets for these fucking bitches. And you already know we catching every fucking snitches. And we bitching and we getting on the fucking track. And we don't wanna holler back. We ain't about all of that. We about the green. About the fucking team. About fucking spending. All about the lean. Trying to get twisted and lifted in this fucking club now. Bitches already know cause they want a fucking pub now. And pop dollars. Make it clap, bitch. Pop dollars. Make it rain, bitch. Make it rain, bitch. Make it rain, bitch. And you already know I'm in that whip with the lane switch. Get that blade quick. Hit a nigga stiff. And I don't give a fuck and never leave a nigga stiff. And you already know it's what we do. And this movie, tell them what you get in a bad mood.
Bad move, bad who? Niggas got the tattoos, niggas better move back. Nigga, I hate that dude and that dude. Don't even matter, watch them all fall. Watch the birds come through, suck my balls. I tell these niggas every day, the team is ball. And I tell these niggas better go, niggas about to fall. Matter of fact, nigga who is poppin'. Niggas better move, niggas soft, cotton. Tell these niggas move, broke around, I'ma pop 'em. Tell these niggas not playing, your opinion about to drop 'em. Tell these niggas come through, my niggas here. It's DMA, B&B, niggas all year. Tell these niggas better move, and your bitch you got to steer. She see these niggas rockin' fresh gear. I tell these niggas move, man, you see it clear. You getting a lot of money, nigga, so beware.
Yo, before we go, I'ma let y'all niggas know you can't fuck with the flow. Y'all niggas is talking crazy, y'all just making money. Niggas talk about me, I was never fucking funny, and I always got it quick. My niggas is all quick. Bitches is talking crazy, we just have to suck the dick. Then we kick them out and shit. Then we go and get the money. Bitches is looking funny, these niggas is acting funny. What the fuck am I to do? I'm just chillin' with the crew, and I don't give a fuck who's on the party. We just do what we do. Y'all niggas can't hate us. Y'all niggas just got the flu. Y'all niggas ain't doing shit. We east side with the brew. Y'all niggas ain't saying shit. Y'all niggas is sucking dick. Y'all niggas ain't getting money. Y'all niggas don't flip no chicks. Y'all niggas ain't getting bitches. Y'all niggas ain't getting nothing. Y'all niggas is talking money. Y'all niggas ain't getting nothing. No, y'all niggas is whack. Tell y'all niggas to get the fuck off and sit back. Pop, pop. And when I say get off, that mean the tip of my dick. Stop licking my balls, nigga.
6 minutes straight.